EA Sports. It's in the game.
A tilt between Bruce Lee and Klay Guida. Well, it's always exciting when you have such a high-level Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioner. This man has been a master of the submission in the UFC, and even though a lot of people know what's coming, more often than not, they're unable to stop.
Because the knowledge of the Jiu-Jitsu game is truly something that it's hard to replicate when a guy is as good as he is. I mean, he will jump for a triangle. He will jump for an armbar. And as you slam him to the ground, he starts to understand, okay, I'm right where I need you right now. This is when the game starts for him. If he doesn't secure that submission, he gets you where he needs you to be in order to start to really make you drown. It's like going in deep water and getting pulled down over and over again, because every time you think, if I do this, it'll make it better, it just makes it worse.
And best of luck trying to find a training partner to simulate this guy in the gym.
It can't happen, and it won't happen.
Well, this is exciting here, DC. The founder of Jeet Kune Do, one of the founding fathers, really, of mixed martial arts, Bruce Lee, is back in a big spot here tonight.
Bruce Lee is what every kid looked to when they thought about doing karate. Bruce Lee is the person that anyone looked at when they said, I want to be a fighter. It was the speed. It was the charisma. It was the approach of Bruce Lee that made him so special. And tonight, he's going to look to show a new generation of fighters exactly how it's supposed to be done.
And if you hear the phrase, drillers make killers, right? I mean, that was Bruce Lee in a nutshell. He felt like practice would make perfect. Nobody trained as hard as the great Bruce Lee. And now our tail of the tape for this lightweight scrap. So a more than 5-year gap between these two fighters when it comes to the age, and they both possess the same height and a similar reach. All right, now for the introductions, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ready. Ready, fight.
All right, so the fight is now underway. We'll see how long it goes. You've got a submission specialist on one side, and on the other side, maybe the most well-rounded fighter in this division.
Yeah, he is one of the best fighters in the entire UFC. But in front of him, he has one of the most dangerous fighters across all divisions in the octagon, because that one skill he has is so good that you're in danger the entire time.
Oh, good series of knees by him there. Working. Oh!
Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Oh, he missed with that right hand.
He got him.
Now goes in and secures the takedown. Gets up again here, but hurting.
Nice punch there.
Oh, collar tie.
Right hand punch from the clinch. He changes the angle, finds the right spot to land that punch to the head from the clinch.
Both guys appeared to land there. And now he's got that tie clinch. We'll see what he can do with it. And he landed the right hand there. Oh, he tagged him with the uppercut there. Shades of DC against John Jones in the second meeting.
I mean, great job of getting in close and throwing that up.
Quick entry to get in on a single.
That was a great single. Takes the full ride, slams him on his back. What a takedown.
How's that feel to be in the right
It's
hand of that? I knew that was coming. Oh, so an interesting decision there as he decides to stand up.
Finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Whoa! Under 2 minutes to go in a back-and-forth first round here. Oh!
He didn't like that left hand.
He's got him hurt here. Beautiful diving strike lands. All right, bottom fighter here, maybe looking to hip escape, DC. Guida changes levels now, DC.
Oh, man, he was in a single, got to a high crotch. Oh, he flipped him over the top. What a fantastic takedown.
Welcome to the Cormier Express. Lee gets up. He is back on the feet here. unable to connect with the right hand there.
He loaded up with that right hand, too.
Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Back to the feet. And he comes through with a big knee. And just like that, the fight is over.
Unbelievable. What a fight.
Yeah, man, crowd loving it. Just a gorgeous shot there to end the fight. Really just the way he drew it up. He found the opening and capitalized on it to the utmost extent. Nicely done to finish the fight. All right, let's take a look back at the replay. It ends up a knockout, but this was really a striking clinic from the moment they touched it.
I mean, a competitive fight that one guy finally found the shot that ended the fight. But both of these warriors displayed a ton of heart. One guy got the finish, but neither guy should be disappointed in their performance.
One final time to Bruce Buffer for the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Deans called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 44 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, Bruce the Dragon